And you've heard the term, put your best face forward. Well, what if time has taken its toll on that face? Dr. Patti Flint, board-certified plastic surgeon, says she can help give you the best face possible, and I'm liking it already. Dr. Flint, it's good to have you on Sonoran Living Live.
Thank you, Terry.
So we're talking about facial, you call it facial rejuvenation,
Yes.
and it's such a broad term, you know, for those of us who, you know, aren't really privy. What does that really mean when you say that, facial rejuvenation?
Well, the term is purposely broad because I think we have a lot of different tools available these days to help people look better. When we first meet with patients, I like to listen to their goals and then design a plan that's going to suit their desired outcomes. Sometimes it's surgery, sometimes it's injectables, and sometimes it's skincare and peels. It can mean a lot of different things.
And sometimes it's a combination of
Exactly
all of those,
right.
All right, let's take a look. We have a patient that you brought us some before and afters, and these results are amazing. Tell me her story.
Well, I think she had spent a lot of time outside, and she had a great deal of damage from sun, and she also had some gravitational change or loose skin and sagging, and she wanted to correct that.
And as you look at, I mean, you could tell right there, obviously her skin looks smoother, but this is where you really tell the difference. Underneath her chin, what type of procedures did you do for her?
She had a facelift, which is also a term that can mean a lot of different things, but in her case, we tightened the deeper tissues in her neck, as well as redraping the skin. I think she has a very natural look, but she does look at least 10 years younger, and she's very happy about that.
I'm sure she is. And just, you know, the chin area and the neck area is just, as women, that's like our dead giveaway. We can work really hard with the lines and, you know, the wrinkles around our eyes, but once you go below the chin, that's a dead giveaway. When somebody comes in to see you, Dr. Flint, how do you really determine which procedures are really the best for them?
I listen to their goals. I really have to hear what they're trying to correct. And when they start to talk about sagging or drooping tissues, I know surgery is a tool that we're going to need to utilize. While I would love to have a non-invasive option for them that would magically lift their neck or jawline, it just doesn't happen.
Look at this before and after picture. This is truly amazing. Tell me the procedure that you did for her.
This lady had an advanced neck lift as well as a facelift. She had lived with a neckline that she wasn't happy with for most of her life, and it had only worsened with aging. So through a variety of surgical techniques, I was able to really give her a neckline, which she actually didn't have before that.
Right. And yet I think that brings up a good point, because people come to you, you know, we live in Arizona, you know, yes, we're going to have sun damage, we're going to have, you know, the elements, but in some cases it's just hereditary, and you can help women with that too.
Oh, truly. I mean, when there's things about your appearance that you've never liked, we can talk about how to make you look better and refreshed. I really try to focus on making a better version of the original person, and I like to look at old photos of them to make sure that we do that.
Oh, wow. Boy, you really dig deep into that.
We do.
And you know, I'm sure there's so many women go, Dr. Flint, why didn't I do this 20 years ago?
I hear it every day.
I bet you do. Now, the holidays are coming up, right? Is it possible to have any of the tweaking done of any of the options under facial rejuvenation done before the holidays and
absolutely
still look good?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a lot of non-invasive things we do in the office, such as injections of Botox or filler, topical chemical peels that don't come with much, if any, downtime, and can really give you a nice spruce up right before big events.
Oh, who doesn't want a nice spruce up, right?
That's right.
Well, I think you said something very important that I think the viewers at home will appreciate, is the fact that you listen. You know, people come in, women come in with concerns. It's just as simple as listening.
Truly.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Flint. We
It's
appreciate
a pleasure. Thanks,
that.
Terry.
All right. Well, let me tell you about a special offer that Dr. Flint brought for you. You mentioned Sonoran Living Live when you make your consultation, your appointment, and you'll receive a special SkinCeuticals skincare product that is selected just for your skin type. That's a $75 value. Let me tell you how to reach Dr. Flint's office. She's located in Old Town Scottsdale and Mesa, 2 locations. You can call 480-945-3300 to make that appointment, or you can always look up more information at pattyflintmd.com.